In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or replace a Dropbox file without changing its link. This is really useful if you've already shared a link to a document, a PDF, or any other file, and you want everyone to see the latest version without having to send out a new link every time you make an update. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Sign in if you're not already logged in, and once you're in, you'll land on your main Dropbox dashboard. This is where all your folders and files are stored in the cloud. Before we start clicking around, here's the key idea you need to remember. To keep the same shared link, you must replace the old file with a new file that has the exact same name in the exact same location. Dropbox will treat this as a new version of the same file, so the existing link will still work, but it will now point to the updated content. Now, on the left-hand side of your Dropbox dashboard, look for the option labeled Folders and click on it. This view helps you quickly find the folder where your existing file is stored, especially if you organize your Dropbox with multiple folders and subfolders. Next, navigate through your folders until you find the file you want to replace. Once you see it in the list, click on that files folder to open it. Take a moment here to double check you're in the correct location, because the new file needs to go into the same folder to keep the link intact. With the folder open, look towards the top or right-hand side of the page for an option that says Upload. Click on Upload. Dropbox might give you a couple of choices here, such as uploading a file or a folder. In this case, you want to update a single file, so choose the option labeled File. Your computer's file browser will open. Now, find the updated version of the file on your computer. Make sure the file name matches the existing Dropbox file exactly, including the extension. For example, if your current file is called report.pdf, the new file should also be named report.pdf. Select that file and then click on Add or Open, depending on your system. Dropbox will upload the new file and ask if you want to replace the existing one. Confirm the replacement. Once it finishes, anyone using the original shared link will automatically see this new updated version with no extra steps on their side.